Your silent prayers have shaken heaven. God's message for you today. My beloved child, you've been praying silently, haven't you? You've been whispering your hopes into the quiet darkness, wondering if anyone hears you, if heaven hears you. Let me reassure you. Your silent prayers have reached my throne. I saw you when no one else did. I heard you when you could barely speak. I noticed the strength it took just to keep going. Even when your lips said nothing, your heart spoke to me, and I listened. You see, I am not a God who overlooks pain. I am not deaf to your tears or blind to your burdens. Every sigh, every ache, every quiet plea, it has echoed through heaven and stirred my heart. You are not alone. You were never alone. There were moments you thought I had left, times when the silence made you question my presence, but I was closer than ever, walking beside you in the shadows, shielding you from battles you never even knew you were fighting. Before you call, I will answer. While you are still speaking, I will hear. Isaiah 65:24. You've cried in secret, but I will reward you openly. You've waited patiently, and now I am about to move in your life in ways that will leave no doubt. It was me. You thought nothing was happening, but I was working. My timing is not like yours. You wanted answers right away. You wanted the pain to stop, the breakthrough to come, the storm to end. But in the silence, I was shaping you. In the waiting, I was building you. In the stillness, I was preparing everything for your good. You didn't see the roots growing. You didn't notice the shifts in the spiritual realm. But something was always happening. I never stopped working behind the scenes. I was protecting you from what you didn't know was coming. I was aligning people, preparing doors, and setting divine appointments. Trust this. Nothing has been wasted. Not the delays, not the detours, not even the disappointments. All of it is part of the story I'm writing for your life. A story of redemption, hope, and divine restoration. A new season is here, yes. The chapter of waiting is coming to an end. I'm doing something new. Do you not perceive it? Your prayers have power, not because they are loud, but because they are filled with faith. And faith moves mountains, even the invisible ones. Now, watch as doors open without your effort. Watch as favor finds you where you are. Watch as peace floods your heart like never before. Because I'm not just bringing you out of the storm, I'm transforming you through it. You will look back and say, if it hadn't been for the Lord, I wouldn't have made it. And that testimony will bring others to me. I am turning your pain into purpose, your trials into triumphs, your waiting into a witness. This is what I say over you. Now I say, you are chosen, you are seen, you are deeply, endlessly loved. I say, you were made for more than this pain, more than this moment. Your future is filled with hope. I say, you have not missed your destiny. What I've planned for you will still come to pass. So, don't give up now. Don't turn away. Don't let fear write the final word. Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or discouraged, for the Lord your God is with you wherever you go. Joshua 1:9. Even if you feel weak, I am your strength. Even if you feel small, I am your covering. Even when you fall, I am your lifter. Here's what you must remember today. Your prayers don't expire. They are seeds planted in faith, and they will bloom in the right season. Delay is not denial. What feels like silence is often a setup for something greater. I am not done with you. Not even close. I'm just getting started. So keep believing. Keep praying. Keep walking. Let your hope rise again, even if it's just a flicker. Let your faith breathe again, even if it's tired. I am the God who restores, revives, and renews. And I say to you now, Weeping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning. Psalm 30, verse 5. Let this be your prayer. Today, Lord, thank you for hearing my silent prayers. Thank you for never leaving me, even when I felt alone. I trust your timing. I surrender my fears. I rest in your love. Help me walk by faith, not by sight. Renew my strength, revive my spirit, and lead me into the purpose you created me for. Amen. Heaven has heard you. Now get ready to see the evidence. Your prayers shook heaven. Now they're about to shape your reality. God is with you, always. Please like this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel.